Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Visalia local and long-distance movers near me. Embarking on a new journey in a different place, either out of state or abroad, is a rewarding experience, but no doubt it is also a challenge with all of the decisions to be made along the way. How you're going to pack up all your things and move shouldn't be a concern. 3 Movers trains its movers to keep your belongings safe with expert packing techniques. We also provide special packing materials for those valuables that you want to be certain won't be damaged along the way. There are a lot of moving companies in Visalia, CA, but none match the quality of service we provide. Our professional moving company in Visalia is proud to serve the local community. Whether you're a business owner that is moving to a new office or your family is moving to a new home, we'll make sure the moving day will go smoothly. We are local Visalia movers and can pack up all of your things and move them within just a few hours. Keep your evening free so that you can invite your family and friends to see your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Visalia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.